Hey, Jonathan here with Central Sound. Here I have the RAZER Kraken Kitty Edition gaming headset here. So I have our Central Sound upgraded extra large ear pads on the left side, and then these are the stock ear pads on the right side. So I'm just going to show you how to replace these ear pads and also show you the difference between the two. So we'll start off by doing a measurement test really quick. So here I have our Central Sound upgraded ear pads for this model, and we'll just give it a quick measure and see what it comes out to. So we're looking at 30.8 millimeters. Okay, so let's take a look at the stock ones here. So these are the stock ones. You can see that big gap already off the bat. So these ones come out to about 24.3, about 25% of a difference in thickness. So pretty big improvement. Inside our Central Sound upgraded ear pads, there's a cooling gel layer here, and then there's also a black memory foam layer, and then a white structural foam layer as well to help it stay structured. So very good improvement for the RAZER Kraken Kitty Edition, and also any other RAZER models that have this design ear pad. So pretty much round. It's slightly oval a little bit, but ours will fit. They are flexible. So, and then there's the back there on ours, and it's the same as on these stock ones here. So I'm going to remove this stock one and install ours, show you really quick how easy it is. So just pinch it and pull it. They come right off. I'm going to put the seam at the bottom area. And then you just gently pinch and pull. I hold it with my thumb in place on one hand while I work it around with the other hand. Oh. There we go. It may take a few attempts to get it in there correctly, but they do go on fairly easily, and it really shouldn't take you too long of a time. So there we go. Looks like it's in there. So there we go. And there they are. So that's how you replace the ear pad. Very simple. And this is the RAZER Kraken Kitty Edition with the cat ears on there, but these also fit other editions. As long as the stock ear pad looks like this, similar to this, it should be okay. Also in our listing has the measurements of the ear pad, so you can compare it against your headset to see if they will fit yours as well. Once again, these are our Central Sound upgraded ear pads, and you can purchase them at centralsound.co.